Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a for sale video on this RCI-2970N3. Customer bought this a little while back. He blew the finals in the amp section, decided to trade it in. I'm just getting around to repairing it, and I put ERF 2030 pluses in it. I'm not real crazy about the RT1s and the 8 MOSFET configuration inside the amplifier. So it's got the robust ERF 2030 pluses in it. I'll show you what it does real quick. 250 watt slug, 5 watts all the way down, roll it all the way up, 50 watts. I'll show you average power swing. Low, about 145, 500 watt slug in PEP. Low, about 370. Go over to sideband. On sideband, hello, about 250. Okay. This also has a clarifier unlocked on it. It's about $670. I'll get it right in a minute. About $670 shipped to your door for this unit right here. I'll be offering this one for $500 shipped, and it's ready to go, and it will come with the box and the manual and the stock mic and the bracket. So if it's something you're interested in, jump on it. Bump bump.